Hola, Señora Vaz here with instructions for today. Today we are on our day 8 and we are gonna start with the actividad inicial that you should do in the first 5 minutes of class. And it says, do you remember how to say goodbye in Spanish? Type one way to say goodbye in this photo. So when you click here, it says here again, in the comments, please type a way to say goodbye that you learned from last class. So you remember last class you were writing some notes about how to say goodbye, and then you learned some expressions on how to say goodbye. So you're just going to put one of those right here. And today we're going to work on our project 2. For our project 2, we're going to watch some videos. So I put some links to videos. We're going to be watching these videos in class, and we're going to learn about these dances. If you are not in class, then you're going to do it at home. You watch the videos. This is just to give you an idea of what the dances look like. Let's see. Why it's not working? Hold on. Okay, it's fixed now. I put it in the way it's gonna work. So very quickly, I'm gonna show you. This is called flamenco. It's a dance that comes from Spain. Has a lot of clapping and with the feet, making noise with the feet, like stomping. And you see, it has a lot of attitude. So that is what is called flamenco. Alright, so that is called flamenco. You can watch the whole video you want. We're going with the next one. The next one is called tango. Tango was originated in Argentina. And it was originated in the bars and cabarets in Argentina. And this is a choreography, but you see when people play like they are dancing some Hispanic dance, they go to the side. That's the tango. I forgot to mention for the first dance, let me pause this. For the first dance, there is this important instrument. It's called castañuelas. Castañuelas, here is the word. And it is formed like a clam, and they play it like that. And then they just move their hands like this, and the sounds goes like. So you can hear that with the music. Let's try to go back to the video. Oh, wrong one, sorry. Let's go back to the video. Let's see if I can find where the person is using the castañuelas. This person's not using it. These people are mostly using the hands instead of the castañuelas. But castañuelas is a very important instrument that is required for this dance. Okay. Back to the dances, we have this. For the tango, the main instrument is the accordion. So you hear a lot of accordion in the tango. And then we have our next dance is called merengue. For the merengue, that is originary for the Dominican Republic, you have a lot of hip moving. So you can see this, and you can hear piano and also the tambora. Tambora is the drums that you hear on the background. Okay, So that is merengue, originally from the Dominican Republic. The next one we have is originally from Cuba, but it's very popular in Puerto Rico and in Colombia, my country. And it's called salsa. Okay, that's called salsa. Salsa, you hear a lot of trumpets and also the piano. It's very popular. And the last one we have is cumbia. Cumbia. Cumbia is originally from Colombia, and it has a lot of influence of the African rhythms because in Colombia there are different groups. Like when the Spaniards came, they brought the Africans to Colombia. They were slaves at that point, and slave would be the right word to say, I think. And they brought them with them, so Spaniards brought them, and then we have indigenous in Colombia. So they mix, and they had these big meetings at night, the indigenous and the blacks and the Spaniards, and then they have the dances and their representation. So this is how that looks like. Once again, you had the chance to watch all the videos on your time, but right now I'm going to explain you what your mission for today is. You're going to make a Google slide presentation about your selected dance. You're going to choose one. Oh, I forgot this part. You're going to find a Hispanic dance. You're going to choose one Hispanic dance, and you're going to make the slide presentation about it. And the first slide, you're going to put the name of the dance and your name, so I know who's doing it. The second, the place of origin of the dance, and you're going to include an image of the place of origin where it was originated. The third slide, you're going to include the instruments, and you're going to include the images of the instruments. You're going to tell me what kind of instruments they play, so you put the names of the instruments, and then you include the images. For the fourth slide, you're going to include the attire. For example, in this, you see the attire, so you just need to put a picture of the attire in there. And the fifth slide, you're going to tell me something that you found about it. Something that you found about that. And you tell me a paragraph of what you found about the dance. And in that one, you can, it is optional to add a picture or a video. You are going to submit the link on Canvas. It's right here. It says a website URL, so you just need, as usual, you're just going to, let me see, you're going to click right here. Right here, you click the start assignment, you paste your URL right here, and then you click submit assignment. Remember, it is not enough that you share the document. Do not forget to change the share settings so I can see it. And do not forget to check your grade on Canvas and any comment that I may have put. If you got a 0, it's probably because I cannot see it. So it's good that you check your comments. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you. Hasta pronto.